On 2nd and 5, a running play, staying on his feet. It's Michael Hayes. What an athletic move. Down to the 20-yard line. How did he stay up?
We just saw Michael Hayes the last play. A little do move at the end. This time, defender tries to tackle him low. Look at his balance and control. That was phenomenal.
Williams getting it down close to the 10-yard line.
One more look. Puts the left arm down to keep his balance. His head almost hits the ground. Unbelievable athleticism. You know, this Houston offense, watching it, it's almost like you wake them up when the game gets closer and they...
And to have that kind of foot quickness and that good vision.
And the other thing he is durable. He has averaged more carries per game than any back in the NFL over the last 3.5 years. Wide open and flicked into the end zone by Jerome Simpson. Oh, goodness. You'll be seeing that one the rest of today, into tomorrow, and the entire week. It's one thing to leap over a guy. It's another thing to finish the flip on your feet.
Well, you don't get style points in the NFL, but that ought to be worth 8. I mean, my goodness, that is... I just hope the league doesn't come back and outlaw this. This is outstanding. He wanted to look at the ups on this guy and then to land